there, I'm Chie and welcome to my channel. Today I'm taking you through a dip pen and ink with watercolor painting of the Roman Forum. If you love urban sketching, ink and wash techniques, and historical architecture, you're in the right place. For this piece, I'm starting with a light pencil outline just enough to place the major shapes, such as the Temple of Saturn and those wonderful dramatic fallen columns. I pay attention to how the columns line up and how perspective leads the eye through the runes. Once I'm happy with the positioning of all big shapes and the perspective, I started drawing with dip pen and ink. The Roman Forum was the beating heart of ancient Rome. It was its political, commercial, and religious center for over 1,000 years. What looks like a scattering of ruins today was once a bustling plaza filled with temples and markets. The Temple of Saturn, which I'll be sketching in this piece, is one of the oldest sacred sites in the city, and the Arch of Septimus Severus has been standing proudly since 203 AD, and it's still carrying its beautifully detailed carvings despite centuries of weather, earthquakes, and throughout the rise and fall of the Roman Empire. I love painting places like this because every broken column feels like a story you can still hear if you sit quietly enough. Once the ink is dry, I move on to watercolor wash. For the first wash, I'm laying down warm earth tones such as yellow ochre with a dash of burnt sienna. For the background, I used soft blues and muted greens to push the distant hills and ruins back into the atmospheric perspective. To create a soft sunset glow in the scene, I mix quinacridone rose with just a hint of cadmium yellow. And that's how I did pen and ink with watercolor painting of the Roman Forum. I hope this inspires you to pick up your pen and explore ancient architecture in your sketchbook. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more art tutorials, watercolor process videos, and ink drawing techniques. Thank you for watching today, and I will see you in the next video.